What's up?
I've been waiting there for 10 minutes.
Well, I didn't know. I'm gonna speed in like you're gonna hit me, ass idiot. Moron, dude. Yeah, yeah, shut your head. Yeah, well, smile, smile, dude, smile. Smile, you're on camera.
Okay, let it go, let it go. No harm,
Bro, you split in like you were gonna hit me. You think that's cool? Oh, you're letting me know by accelerating towards me. That's really cool, dude. Really cool.
He got a lot closer than I did. Aren't you going to yell at him?
He's not accelerating at me. Shut the up. Get your face smashed in. Dude, just back the up. I did not deal with this. I don't need to deal with this morning, dude.
I'm trying
Don't
to
accelerate.
to you. I didn't mean to.
Dude,
But
that's fine. Take it off. Take it somewhere else.